Time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, it's getting warm enough out there. Everybody likes to look at water. So let me start out and show you this as you look at the Boise River and some people having fun out along through there. And of course, something very popular for the Boise area are the foothills as well. So if you look at the mountains and the blue skies, you don't need me to tell you that's going to be a nice evening, but I'm going to tell you anyway, and you can quote me if you like. First of all, the high temperatures for today got into the lower 80s, and we could still see an 82 about 7 o'clock. And you can see 9 o'clock, 77, 68 degrees at 11 o'clock this evening. Hey, I'm just saying if you're going to be out later tonight, tomorrow morning those temperatures do cool off, which makes it kind of nice that we drop down into some of those 50s for early in tomorrow morning. After the high today of an 83, many spots, Ontario 85. So basically the 80s, and tomorrow there's the chance of hitting 90. Let's have a look. It's Twin Falls tomorrow at 88. Shoshone could do it. Gooding could hit 91 degrees. Haley will be up to 81 degrees. These are warm temperatures in mountain locations. Over here for the western mountains, you see 77 degrees for the high temperature in McCall. Down in Garden Valley, it's 88. Cascade, of course, will be well into those 70s, near 80 degrees. Emmett has a 91, so there's some spots above 90. And Ontario, which usually is one of the hottest spots, has 93. 90 in Boise, 91 in Meridian, 91 degrees for the high temperature in Kuna. So here it goes. Okay, now I told you that it was going to start to cool just a little, drop about 5 degrees into Thursday. If you look here, here's the tropical moisture, okay, on the Futurecast. Now it's right over New Mexico, and you say, well, that's way away, and it's moving to the northeast. We've got a low here over California that's going to force this up just to the north, though. So when you're looking at Thursday, when we get into Thursday, 5:30 in the afternoon, some thunderstorms in eastern Idaho. You might see some high clouds through here, some moisture forming in the central mountains, not so much from the subtropical moisture, but because of the situation with the moisture in the mountains. It's going to redevelop again in some spots, so there could be a few thunderstorms there. That brings our temperature down Thursday and Friday into the mid-80s. Now you watch this, it pushes off to the east, so if there's any kind of unsettled weather, if you're traveling outside of Boise, you could run into it some spots, especially when we get to Thursday afternoon, but not so much for Friday. So when you look at the 7-day forecast, there's 90 degrees for tomorrow. Getting into Thursday, you see the 87, okay, and Friday comes down to 84. Like I said, it's not dropping a lot. But look at this for Saturday and Sunday. Wow, we've had some weekends of rain. You're not looking at it this time. Even at Tuesday, as we look at this now, you're looking at temperatures getting hot, and even next week, there are those possibilities of highs getting into the upper 90s. See right through here to near 100 degrees. That's next Sunday and Monday. Now it comes down a bit there into Thursday and Friday because we could see a few thunderstorms, a little bit of moisture coming in, which is kind of typical for around our area. But in the meantime, Morgan, you ready for that? 100 degrees, that is Morgan's weather right there.
I'm kind of a 75 girl, but
Are you really?
I'd rather take 100 degrees than the rain. But I will say it's interesting as the last few days have dried up so much and it's gotten so much warmer with this first official start of summer. The foothills, have you noticed how dry they are?
They are. They're drying out from the green.
Yes.
You've been mentioning how green they've
They were
been.
so green.
We kind of knew it was coming on this sort of thing. And now we're happy we've got some reservoirs
Yes.
and some water out there. And let's see how it goes.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. All right, Rick, thank you.